How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 68 Pontiac GTO true 242 VIN, done in a gorgeous Viper blue, black interior. Got the hideaway headlights. It's all the originals in real good condition. The nose is all in good condition. Car was done several years ago. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Get the factory Rally 2s with BF Goodrich redline radials. Got all the correct PMD center caps. The rear bumper's been re-chromed. They did the Judge wing on it. Just a cool look. It does have a few small paint flaws just from being driven and enjoyed. The original motor was replaced with a 455 that's been all built, got a nice mild cam in it. It's got your power steering, your power brakes, got a 400 turbo trans, got a nice full dual exhaust out the back. It's got posi rear. All the interior is real nice. Get the original dash. Headliner's real nice and tight. Got the his and her shifter in it. Pretty cool little option. Car appears to be all the original body panels and floors. Got your spare. We do have a jack for it also. Got an AM FM stereo in it. Trio of gauges there under the dash. See the his and her shifter. The jams are all painted real nice. Fires right up. A little chilly out today, so you have to kind of bear with us. All the hideaways work. Got a nice little thumpy thump to it. Not too radical, just that's just a cool looking car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Stop in and visit us, 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Or you can also follow us on Facebook, Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Sharp car. I like how the quarter marker lights up. Pretty cool for 68. Have a great day, folks.